Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Canva design and locating the text layer you'll change. Click the text on the canvas or pick it from layers. If nothing exists, press T to add a text box. Once selected, double-click to enter edit mode so you can replace content immediately. Make sure to keep the original alignment and size in mind. That preserves layout. This first action gets you directly into editing without detours, so you can change wording and style right away. Once you've entered text edit mode, change the font, size, color, and spacing from the top toolbar to match your design intent. You can also tweak letter spacing and line height for readability. Small changes make a big visual difference. Then exit text edit and drag the bounding box or nudge with arrow keys to place text exactly. Make sure to toggle effects for shadow or curve if you need emphasis, and use preview to confirm it reads well on different devices. To finish, group the text with nearby elements and lock layers to prevent accidental shifts, then download or share in the format you need. If the text looks pixelated after export, switch to PNG with higher resolution or SVG when available. Increasing canvas size before export also helps. If something goes wrong, use undo, check version history, or duplicate the page and try edits on the copy. This preserves the original while you troubleshoot quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.